Hi, this is Chitrangada and you're watching me on indiaglitz.com.
Hi, this is Prachi and you're watching indiaglitz.com.
Well, Ishan हमारी life में आया है तो we have to deal with it. I play his girlfriend in the film और एक live-in relationship है. So that's where Anushka is in the film.
मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम है गौरी. I'm Ishan's neighbor in the film. I think मैं उसकी ज़िंदगी के उस मोड़ पर आती हूँ where probably everybody else is giving up. जब सब हार मान लेते हैं एंड बहुत लोग कोशिश करते हैं उसे समझाने की, बताने की या उसे रियलाइज़ करवाने की, बट उससे कोई रियलाइजेशन नहीं होता है. एंड आई शो इन द मिरर एंड आई से व्हाट दिस इज़ यू एंड प्रॉब्ली दैट वर्क्स. आई थिंक मेरा जो इक्वेशन है उसके साथ इस फिल्म में it's just lovely because there's a bit of both things, also the kind of involvement that we have. I think I enjoyed playing Gauri the most so far.
एक चीज़ जो मुझे उसने कही and I thought that really clicked was the fact that he said that just play yourself. That's the woman that we want. We want somebody who is definitely professionally doing very well and all of that. लेकिन एक वो emotional vulnerability at the same time जो होती है and not just like hardcore trying to be the professional woman. So that's he was so right about that. और ऐसा कुछ होता है अनुष्का के कैरेक्टर के साथ जो डेवलपमेंट है दैट आई कांट टॉक अबाउट राइट नाउ. वो इट्स अ सरप्राइज इन द फिल्म, लेकिन आप देखेंगे एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न व्हाई आई हैव डन दिस फिल्म, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सरप्राइज. कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हो एक लड़की के साथ हु इज़ मैडली इन लव विद दिस मैन बट ही डजंट वांट टू कमिट, तो वो क्या करेगी? हाउ डज शी गो फॉरवर्ड विद इट? So when you'll see the film, you'll realize why I really wanted to do this film actually.
I was just finally relieved कि मुझे अपनी एज का कोई कैरेक्टर प्ले करने के लिए मौका मिल रहा है. I think I should have got something like this a few years ago. I thoroughly enjoyed playing Gauri. By profession, she's a hairstylist and makeup artist in the film. ऐसा कोई रोल मैंने पहले कभी किया नहीं है. I loved the kind of look that they gave me. It's a little funky and at the same time she's because she plays a hairstylist, she's got these quirks about her. So I think these things really brought in the fun element in Gauri, and she's somebody who talks a lot, पूरा टाइम ईशान को ज्ञान देती रहती है. All these things, I think it was finally nice to just like let loose and play a role like this, because everywhere I think I was playing like subtle and somewhere a little too serious. कहीं पर I just thought that I was missing out the real me, and I had to do something which brought out the the real side to me in front of the people. It was actually fantastic working with John. John actually इतने बड़े prankster नहीं है, but हाँ उनका एक wicked sense of humor ज़रूर है, थोड़े twisted सा. वो हमेशा उनके face पर there's a smirk that he has. So ये जो है
ज़ूम इन करो, ये वाला स्मर्क होता है.
ये टाइप का एक स्मर्क होता है और वो बस आकर आपको कुछ बोलकर चले जाते हैं एंड यू थिंक ही इज जस्ट जोकिंग बिकॉज लुक एट हिज फेस बट बाद में आपको रियलाइज होता है कि ओ माय गॉड ही वाज टोटली सीरियस, ओ माय गॉड आई शुड थॉट अबाउट दिस अर्लियर. आपको बाद में रियलाइज होता है ही इज वन ऑफ दोज एंड वो जो बोलते हैं वो बहुत करेक्ट होता है.
ऑलवेज राइट. सो अगर आप उससे पूछेंगे कि से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं उससे पूछूंगी कि मेरा शॉट कैसा लगा जॉन, ब्यूटिफुल, बहुत अच्छा शॉट किया है, वेरी नाइस चित्रांगदा, वेरी गुड, तो आपको तब लगता है कि अरे आई रियली डिड अ गुड जॉब, बट ही हैज अ स्mirk on his face when he's saying that. तो वो थोड़ी देर के बाद यू कैच ऑन लाइक आफ्टर अ कपल ऑफ डेज कि जब वो एवरी टाइम ही बेंड्स डाउन, ही हैज दैट सच अ गुड बॉय स्माइल एंड ही सेज beautiful Chitrangada, really nice. That's when you know that he's got these invisible horns here, so he's a devil. मैं इसको अच्छे से पहचान गई. Actually, I got to know him a bit during the promotions of Desi Boys because we spent a lot of time together, and I think that's when I got to know him. And of course, through this film, I've got to know him a little more. So, but he's a great guy. I think he's a very simple person at heart. Comes from a very simple family, very hardworking, and of course, very intelligent. Like you said, I mean, sorry, Prachi just said that. Because he's now a producer, तो वो जो पूरे marketing tips हैं, जो inputs हैं, even in the film, even as a co-producer, I think he took in a lot of responsibility as far as the how the film is going to be packaged and all of that. So yeah, it's such a wonderful this thing opportunity to work with him on a film like this. And like Prachi has already said, I don't think anybody else could have done Ishan with so much justice and conviction जितना कि अच्छी तरह आई थिंक जॉन समझे हैं एक कमिटमेंट फोबिक आदमी को, एक सेल्फिश आदमी को. जितनी अच्छी तरह आई थिंक जॉन समझते हैं, इट विल बी टफ टू फाइंड अनदर वन. नो, बट ही इज ब्रिलियंट इन द फिल्म, इज वेरी गुड. द बॉम्ब
ना जाने कहाँ से आई. आई थिंक it's you know, you can call it like a mini anthem for the nation, because people from every age group, they know this song, they love it, they love Sri Devi ji in this. It was a phenomenal number, and so popular. We were all really happy when we got the rights for, you know, when we acquired the rights, and then they were wondering कि हम इसे actually हमें करना क्या चाहिए. John came up with the idea of saying, you know, let's go with the theme of the film, जहाँ पर of course you have this self-centered guy and he's always getting a lot of female attention. तो इसे ना जाने कहाँ से आया है बना देते हैं, and it completely went with the theme and everything. And we were really lucky क्योंकि yes, the film was over, but you know, there was no such situation जहाँ पर you know, you could put this song in. Couple की ये first film है. You know, he's been an assistant actually. He's been an AD for a very long time. और उन्होंने कुछ बहुत अच्छी फिल्मों को assist किया है. When this film happened, you know, वो he was so sure कि मुझे हर एक चीज़ कैसे चाहिए. With every character as well, you know, उनका जो ग्राफ है फिल्म में वो किस तरह से, you know, even where the mannerisms are concerned, it's not like he came and told us that this is what I want you to do.
He's a bit of an actor himself. He's done theatre. So जब वो कभी-कभी जब रीडिंग करते हैं, जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं, तो जो डायलॉग्स आते हैं, तो मैं उनको कहती हूँ आगे से आप ईशान का डायलॉग बोलो, मैं अपने डायलॉग्स बोल रही हूँ, तो पूरा फुल उसमें कैरेक्टर में आके अपना डायलॉग्स, you know, so that's when you realize the actor in him. So he's had a theatre background as well, so it's very interesting his involvement you know, on the film in that space. And I just want to add here that, you know, at one point he was so good at his job as an AD. बहुत पहले मैंने एक Garnier एक commercial shoot किया था, so I met him like a couple of years back, and he was the AD on the thing at that time. But he has the reputation of being the number one AD in the industry for many years, huh? And now finally he's doing this film. This is his first film, and I think he's done a very good job.
But let's throw it out as you know, as a promotional video जहाँ पर there's so much of fun, and yet we're giving out this whole feel about what the film is about. So yeah, they wanted to like portray me and Chitrangda and John in a completely different avatar, something that people have not seen before. And I'm so glad that actually you know, Wordy Shrishti, they came up with this idea क्योंकि उन्होंने एक concept के बारे में सोचा, and they said, you know, let's put them into this. I think this will look great, and we had one of our best choreographers, Ahmed Khan, shooting this, which is why I think the outcome is what you see. It was great.
Well, I don't know, but didn't quite happen to me in a party actually. No, but I think जब उन्होंने कहा बहुत पहले से they were thinking of putting in this song. And there is a song in Grease, the film, Who's That Boy, Where Does He Come From? तो idea वो था क्योंकि वो ईशान का जो character है, and then they got this song which has exactly the same lyrics, बिल्कुल ही same है almost. So it's great. लेकिन जब उन्होंने कहा एक remix कर रहे हैं, I was a little worried, you know, to touch a song like that, जो almost classic song है. But I think the remix is fantastic and does great justice to the song.
You know, film stars के पास और कोई choice नहीं होती है, उन्हें self obsessed होना पड़ता है. You know, you got to be proper at all times. हमसे ये expectation होती है probably, and you know, I think जो हमारे बारे में लिखा जाता है या being in the limelight constantly, that actually makes us a little obsessed, because you start realizing कि oh my god, I need to look after my appearance, I need to be.
Yeah, but I really think one thing that I would like to confess is that all film stars, because they're in the spotlight all the time, have so many insecurities. हमारी इतनी insecurities होती हैं, whether it is ये ठीक हुआ है, नहीं हुआ है, पसंद आएगा, नहीं आएगा, कैसे लग रहे हैं, अच्छे लग रहे हैं, तो अब और अच्छा लगना चाहिए या और मेहनत करनी चाहिए. So I think all the time you are under the radar, and you're always trying to better yourself. So that is the reason. But I'll tell you honestly, I think all of us are very bad critics of our own self.
We always underestimate ourselves
we are
a little
always trying to, you know, yeah. So it's wrong to think that we are vain and we are, you know, self-obsessed. I think हम हमेशा अपने आप को correct करने की कोशिश कर रहे होते हैं कहीं ना कहीं. Please come and watch this film. बहुत मेहनत करी है, एक बहुत खूबसूरत सी फिल्म बनी है about very special relations. I'm sure आप सब इससे relate करेंगे, चाहे वो एक selfish आदमी है जैसा कि ईशान है, या अनुष्का जो मैं उसकी girlfriend हूँ, या गौरी जो उसकी friend है. And so yeah, so I think you'll come back feeling that it's a good experience watching this film, and you'll have fun.
मैं सभी व्यूअर्स और फैंस से यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आई थॉरली एंजॉयड डूइंग दिस फिल्म, एंड आई प्रॉमिस कि आप जब ये फिल्म देखेंगे यू आर गोना एंजॉय द होल एक्सपीरियंस. इट्स अ वंडरफुल पैकेज ऑफ एन एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म. आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड द सॉन्ग्स एंड वी हैव सम ब्यूटीफुल ट्रैक्स इन द फिल्म. ये जो स्टोरी है इससे आप ज़रूर रिलेट करेंगे, आप चाहे कोई भी एज ग्रुप के हो. यू नो, देयर इज समथिंग अबाउट द फिल्म दैट्स गोना मेक यू कनेक्ट टू इट, एंड यू विल एंजॉय इट.